Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to continue the next topic, that is the menstrual cycle. Now this is the reproductive cycle in the human females and in all the primates. So this is a reproductive cycle. Cycles of all primates including the human beings. This cycle start at the puberty stage and the first appearance of the menstruation is known as menarche. Right? So this is the cycle, that is a reproductive cycle in the primates. It starts at the puberty stage in the human females, and the very first appearance of the cycle is known as menarche. It is usually this cycle is of 28 to 29 days, means after the interval of 28 to 29 days it occurs once, and the cycle of the events starting from the one menstruation to the second menstruation, next menstruation, is known as the menstrual cycle. So the events of the cycle, all the events of the cycle that are starting from the very first cycle to the next cycle is known as the menstrual cycle. So this is the cycle, menstrual cycle, and it has the 4 phases in it. First one is the menstrual phase. It has the following phases in it, and the very first phase is known as the menstrual phase. Now the cycle starts with the menstrual flow that lasts for the 3 to 5 days. It starts with menstrual flow that lasts for 3 to 5 days, and it is caused due to the breakdown of the endometrium of the uterus. It is caused due to the breakdown of endometrium in the uterus. Right? Now the blood vessels in the liquid state are discharged, but this occurs only when the ovum is not fertilized. So what happens in it? The blood vessels are discharged in liquid state. It occurs only when the ovum is not fertilized. So what happens in the menstrual phase? Menstrual phase is the first phase of the menstrual cycle. In this phase, it starts with the menstrual flow that lasts for 3 to 5 days. It is caused due to the breakdown of the endometrium of the uterus. Blood vessels are discharged in the form of the liquid state. This happens only when the ovum is not fertilized. जब ओवम फर्टिलाइज नहीं होता, जब ओवम की मेटिंग जो है sperm के साथ नहीं होती, the unfertilized ovum is there, then the endometrium of the uterus breaks down and it comes out from the uterus in the form of the blood vessels that are in the liquid state, and this is known as the menstrual flow. The next phase is known as the follicular and the proliferative phase. The second phase of the menstrual cycle is known as the follicular or the proliferative phase. Now what happens in this phase? In this phase, the primary follicles they mature into the Graafian follicles. जो हमारे पास primary follicles होते हैं, that matures into the Graafian follicles. They get matured and converted into the Graafian follicles. This causes the regeneration of the endometrium. जो endometrium था, जो पहले degenerate हो गया था, that breaks down in the phase of the menstrual phase. Now it becomes regenerated again. So there is a regeneration of the endometrium. So इसी वजह से इसको प्रोलिफरेटिव फेज भी कहते हैं, क्योंकि जो एंडोमेट्रियम है वो दोबारा से रीजनरेट हो जाता है. ड्यू टू नाउ दिस एंडोमेट्रियम रीजनरेशन अकर्स ड्यू टू द secretions of LH and FSH, that is luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. ये कहाँ पे होते हैं? From the anterior pituitary and ovarian hormones. Right? So regeneration होता है endometrium का because of the secretion of LH and FSH and ovarian hormone estrogen, and this phase lasts for 10 to 14 days. This phase is of about 10 to 14 days. So this is what happens in the follicular and the proliferative phase. What happens in the proliferative phase or follicular phase? After the menstrual phase, this comes up follicular phase. In this phase, the primary follicles they get matured into the form of the Graafian follicles. There is a regeneration of the endometrium. Why there is a regeneration? Due to the secretions of the LHS and FSH from the anterior pituitary and the ovarian hormones, that is the estrogen, and this phase lasts for 10 to 14 days. Now next comes the ovulatory phase, the third phase of the menstrual cycle, that is the ovulatory phase. Now in the ovulatory phase, what happens exactly? Now the LH and FSH that are secreted in the follicular phase, now in this phase they are at the peak in the middle of their cycle, especially on the 14th day. That causes the rupture of the Graafian follicles to release the ovum. So this phase, what happens exactly in this phase? The LH and the FSH are at their peak in the middle of the cycle. That is on 14th day of the cycle. So FSH और LH जो है वो अपने peak पे होते हैं in the middle of the cycle, that is on the 14th day. That leads to the rupture of ovum, जिसमें कि जो ovum है वो rupture हो जाता है, rupture of Graafian follicles, to release ovum. Graafian follicles to release ovum. तो इस टाइम पे जो ओवम है that is released and this phase lasts for only 48 hours, and this is the time period when the sperm mates with the ovum. This 48 hours, the 2 days, the ovum remains in the uterus for 2 days and it waits for the sperm. If the sperm comes and mate with the ovum, then the ovum gets fertilized, otherwise it remains unfertilized. So the time period of this ovulatory phase is of only 48 hours, that is 2 days. It remains for the 2 days in the uterus. It waits for the sperms to come and mate with it. If it doesn't come and doesn't mate, then this ovum, it gets unfertilized and moves to the next part. So ovulatory phase is the phase when LH and FSH are their peak in the middle of the cycle, that is on the 14th day. This leads to the rupture of the Graafian follicles and they release the ovum, and this ovulatory phase lasts for 48 hours and waits for the sperm to get it fertilized, and if the sperm doesn't come there, so if mating is not there, then the ovum, it becomes unfertilized. Now after this ovulatory phase, there comes the next phase, that is the secretory phase or the luteal phase, or also known as secretory phase. Now the remains of the Graafian follicles, जो हमारे पास Graafian follicles बचते हैं, उनके जो remains होते हैं, that get converted into the corpus luteum, which secretes the progesterone for the maintenance of endometrium. अब क्या होता है? Remains of Graafian follicles now they get converted into corpus luteum that secretes progesterone. This is why it is known as secretory phase, because it secretes a progesterone. This progesterone, it helps in maintaining or maintenance of endometrium. अब ये जो secretions है progesterone की, what it does, it helps in the maintenance of endometrium. Now what happens? This endometrium become thicker. Now if the endometrium becomes thicker, what happens? If the ovum is not fertilized, अगर ovulatory phase में जो ovum है वो fertilized नहीं हुआ, then corpus luteum it undergoes degeneration. Endometrium thicker होने के बाद, if ovum is not fertilized, then corpus luteum undergoes degeneration. Means corpus luteum जो है degenerate हो जाएगी, and finally it's led to the disintegration of the endometrium, causing the menstruation. So if it degenerates, it causes the disintegration of endometrium, causing menstruation. Right? So estrogens and progesterone levels rise during this phase. इस phase पे जो हमारा luteal phase है, इस फेज पे क्या होता है, द एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन, their level rises and this phase lasts for only 1 day. So this is what that exactly happens in the last phase, that is the luteal phase. What happens in this phase? In this phase, the remains of graphene follicles converts into the corpus luteum, and they get converted. After that, they secretes the progesterone that maintain the endometrium wall. This endometrium wall becomes thicker, and if the ovum is not fertilized, then this corpus luteum degenerates, and this degeneration leads to the disintegration of the endometrium, resulting in the menstruation. Now the levels of the estrogen and progesterone are at the high level rises during this phase, and this phase lasts only for the 1 day. Now if there is, this is a case if the ovum is not fertilized, and if the ovum is fertilized, then it leads to the pregnancy, and pregnancy of, in the time of the pregnancy, the menstrual cycle stops and there is no menstruation. So menstrual cycle stops permanently in the human female at the age of the around 50 years of age, and that is known as the menopause. The starting one is known as the menarche, that is the onset of menstruation, and menopause is the offset of menstruation. So this is all about the menstrual cycle in the human females. Let's recall this once again. Menstrual cycle is the reproductive cycles in the primates. In human females, it starts at the age of the puberty, and the onset of it, or the first appearance of menstruation, is known as menarche. This cycle occurs one in the 28 to 29 days. The cycle of event is known as the, from the first cycle to the next cycle is known as the menstrual cycle. So it has 4 phases. First one is the menstrual phase, in which the menstrual cycle starts with the menstrual flow, that is from lasts for the 3 to 5 days, in which there is a breakdown of endometrium of the uterus. As a result, blood vessels are discharged in the liquid form if the ovum is not fertilized. Now next comes the follicular phase. In this phase, primary follicles, they mature into the graphene follicles. There is a regeneration of the endometrium due to the secretions of LH and FS from the interior pituitary and from the ovarian hormones, and this phase lasts for about 10 to 14 days. Next comes the third phase, that is ovulatory phase. This phase is that in which the LH and the FSH are at their highest peak in the middle of the cycle, that is on the 14th day. Then there is the rupture of the graphene follicles that results into the release of the ovum. After the ovum is released, it waits for the 48 hours for the sperm to come and mate, and if it doesn't happen, then it moves to the next phase, that is the luteal phase or the secretory phase. Now in this phase, the graphene follicles get converted into the corpus luteum, which secretes the hormone progesterone that helps in the maintenance of the endometrium. Now this endometrium, they become thicker, and if the ovum is not fertilized, corpus luteum degenerates, and this degeneration leads to the disintegration of the endometrium that finally causes the menstruation. In this phase of the you can say luteal phase or secretory phase, the estrogen and the progesterone levels are they at their highest peak they are rise during this phase, and this phase basically lasts for the 1 day only. Now at the end of the cycle, if the ovum is not fertilized, then the again menstrual cycle start, and if the ovum is fertilized, then the period of pregnancy start. So all these events of menstrual cycle they got stopped, and there is no menstruation. So menstrual cycle permanently stops in the females at the human females at the age of around 50 years of age, and this offset of the menstruation is known as the menopause. So that's all about the menstrual cycle and the today's topic. Tomorrow we will going to continue the next topic. Thank you students, and have a nice day.